Welcome to the Vitamin Doctor, your trusted space for discovering the incredible benefits of fresh herbs in your daily health routine, especially when paired with high-protein salads. Whether you're focused on clean eating, weight management, or simply feeling better naturally, we help you make every bite count. The power of fresh herbs in your diet. Fresh herbs aren't just for garnish, they're nutritional powerhouses. Here's how each herb supports your health. Basil. It contains powerful antioxidants like eugenol that help reduce inflammation and fight oxidative stress. Also aids digestion and supports heart health. Cilantro. Naturally detoxifying. Helps the body eliminate heavy metals and supports healthy digestion. Parsley. Packed with vitamin C for immune support and vitamin K for bone strength. Also acts as a natural diuretic. Mint. Soothes the stomach, reduces bloating, and adds a refreshing twist to any meal. Rosemary. Stimulates blood circulation and enhances memory and focus due to compounds like carnosic acid. Thyme. Contains thymol, a natural antibacterial and antifungal agent. Great for boosting immunity and supporting respiratory health. Oregano, one of the most antioxidant-rich herbs. Supports gut health, reduces inflammation, and fights bacteria. Dill. Rich in calcium and flavonoids. Helps with digestion, reduces menstrual cramps, and supports bone density. These herbs bring more than just flavor. They deliver therapeutic benefits that align with a healthy lifestyle and support a strong immune system. Protein plus herbs equals a healthier you. You combining herbs with quality protein like grilled chicken, lentils, chickpeas, tofu, eggs, or fish makes your meals more functional. Herbs naturally support digestion and metabolism, making it easier for your body to process protein and absorb nutrients. They're also a smart way to cut down on salt and unhealthy dressings while still making your salad taste amazing. How to grow these herbs at home. Easy and effective. You don't need a farm to grow your own herbs, just a sunny spot and the right care. Here's a clear, beginner-friendly guide. Indoors. Place pots on a sunny windowsill with at least 6 hours of sunlight. Outdoors. Choose a bright area with indirect afternoon shade to prevent burning. Use well-draining organic potting soil. Add compost or natural fertilizer for extra nutrients. Ensure containers have drainage holes to prevent root rot. Keep soil slightly moist but never soggy. Overwatering is the most common cause of failure. Check if the top inch of soil is dry before watering. Harvesting tips. Trim herbs regularly to encourage new growth. Never harvest more than 1/3 of the plant at a time. Pinch off flowers to keep herbs from becoming bitter, especially basil, oregano, and dill. Use neem oil or natural insecticidal soap if pests appear. Keep airflow good around plants to prevent fungal issues. Growing your own herbs ensures freshness, saves money, and gives you full control over what goes into your food. If you care about what you eat, want to feel good, and enjoy growing your own food, you're in the right place. Subscribe now and start your journey toward a fresher, healthier you, one herb at a time. See you next time.